We have a major problem with the Samsung dryer here. That does not sound normal. Next I'm going to take this front panel off. Sheet metal screws here. There's tabs. Like this. Disconnect this wiring harness. Check this one out. See that wheel back there? It's got the blue rim on it. Watch this. See around the axle, it's just flopping in the breeze. Looks like that needs to be replaced. Nice. Check it out. Yeah, pop these free. It's easy. Check it out. Looks like there's two in the front and two in the rear. Well, this one doesn't spin very good. Probably clogged up with hair. Here's the other one, the bottom one. That's how it should spin, like that. This one hardly moves. Here's the belt. It's got a tensioner on it. So we're going to slide this drum out. So check it out. Found the problem. These are the two rear drum wheels. This one seems fine. But check this one out. This one's no good. Check this out. That's the problem. Just take this retainer off, like that, and this wheel comes off. Missing the whole inside's blown out. Look at that. This thing got shredded. So I took all the wheels out of here. This is the really bad wheel. And these are the other ones. So I got the order from Amazon. This set here was $34.99, and it came with 4 wheels and the belt and a belt tensioner, which I didn't really need, but I just bought it all anyway. If you're getting the kit that has the stud on the wheel, They want you to replace the whole stud anyway, so use an adjustable wrench. Okay, that's cool. This just comes off here like that. This nut here is 17 millimeter. Alright, those are done. On there and one there. Okay, for these back ones, I'm not going to replace this whole stud. Otherwise, I'll have to get behind here, take that existing stud off. Take off this triangular retaining clip and slide the wheel off the stud it comes with. So these are two brand new wheels. Put this retaining clip back on.